Hello there. Welcome to our episode of What's Inside. We have a Keelat mini cordless drill here. The box includes two 18-volt batteries and an 18-volt battery charger. It also contains flat screw bits, various drill bits including metal and wood, as well as extension bits and socket wrenches. Let's check out the mini drill. It has a sleek, compact design with a metal chuck and adjustable speed settings. Changing bits is a breeze with its easy locking and unlocking mechanism. You can switch them out in seconds. This drill is versatile with its hammer, drill, and screw functions, perfect for various projects. It's handy for mechanics too, like loosening bolts. Let's give it a try. Drilling is smooth and effortless. This drill is ideal for both DIYers and professionals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.